In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candle colors and settings in TradingView step by step. If you've ever looked at a chart and thought the candles were hard to read or just didn't fit your style, this walkthrough will help you fine-tune everything so your charts are clearer and more comfortable to analyze. Start on your TradingView chart and look for the small gear icon, which opens chart settings. It's usually along the top or right of the chart window. Clicking this brings up the control center for how your chart looks and behaves, so it's the perfect place to make visual adjustments without changing any of your actual data or indicators. In the Chart Settings window, go to the Symbol tab. This is where TradingView groups the visual options for the instrument you're viewing. You'll find the controls that affect how candlesticks, bars, and other price styles are displayed. It's helpful to think of this as the appearance hub for price data specifically, separate from things like the general chart background or scales. Next, click Candle to make sure you're adjusting the candlestick settings. If you're already using candlesticks, this confirms the options you change will match what you see on the screen. This is important because each price style has its own set of visual controls, and you want to be modifying the one you're actually using. You'll see an option labeled Color Bars based on previous close. Check this if you want the candle colors to reflect whether the current close is higher or lower than the previous candle's close. When enabled, up candles will use your up color, and down candles will use your down color, giving you a quick, at-a-glance sense of momentum. Leave it unchecked if you prefer a single, uniform color scheme for all candles. Now, customize the body, border, and wick colors. The body is the filled portion of the candlestick and usually carries the most visual weight. The border outlines that body, helping the candle stand out. The wick shows the high and low extremes and benefits from a contrasting color for clarity. Choose colors that are easy to distinguish on your chart's background. For example, on a dark background, brighter greens and reds are easier to read, while on a light background, deeper tones reduce glare. Consider accessibility too. If red-green contrast is hard to see, try alternatives like blue for up candles and orange for down candles. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply the changes. You'll see the chart update immediately, and you can always reopen chart settings to fine-tune your choices until everything looks just right. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Thanks for